Pathan going to Sangeetongku. This is how it looks like. Alright. Thousand Bhuddha. Yeah, inside alley. Very, very like secretive place in Nepal, Kathmandu, in Pathan. Dire, ale diro. Doji de chuke duplicate dira. But I heard like Bhaktapur square, very popular site. This is the king of Bhaktapur. It used to be a kingdom, many centuries ago. It used to be a Kathmandu kingdom, Bhaktapur kingdom, and Pathan. All the kingdoms are united by, I think, King Tribhuwan. I believe that's the history so far. My knowledge, and as you can see the square, that's a beautiful architecture. Yeah, there's still like the support, the system, because of the earthquake which rattled Nepal, in particular Kathmandu. Lots of buildings are damaged, and I think they are doing the renovation. It's been a while. Beautiful sight, beautiful sight. Yeah, it's just an experience, a lifetime experience. Yeah. There's a Hindu temple there in the middle. There's a Nimari restaurant there. Nimari. I've seen some YouTube video on this restaurant. And there's a construction going on there. Still. And beautiful Hindu temple. And the king of Bhaktapur. The statues there. You can see the sweets, samosa, and all kind of stuff. Crazy busy. There is jalebi there. Yeah, very tasty jalebi. Samosa is there.